Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching. Andi Simmons here. I am your host. I appreciate you coming in every week and supporting this channel and liking the videos to share with the world more content on real estate. So today we're going to give a market update of this year, which has been a crazy year in real estate last year too, but this year has been a wonderful year. And there are a lot of new updates and reasons why today our market is very hot. So let's get started. I attended a meeting for a market update meeting for the Tampa Bay Builders Association, which was very enlightening. And so I want to share with you a couple of points from that meeting. The things that they take into consideration on this report are building products, are private equity, investment funds, developers, home builders, others, single family rentals, and lenders. Obviously, there are a lot of different parts of the real estate market. There's a lot of, investors, there's new home builds, there is, lenders, there is construction. All of this form a part of the real estate market. So let's get started, or let's talk about first the building industry and construction. Because of COVID, and I know everything gets blamed on COVID these days, but because of COVID, a lot of the building industry got a lot of delays, a lot of shortage of materials, and a lot of trades, the supply of the trades available are a lot lower than the demand is. Therefore, that causes longer waiting periods. And there's been so much demand that most builders don't even carry inventory anymore. They can't build fast enough, which is a beautiful thing, but that means that homes are sold before they even hit the ground. Sometimes builders are actually waiting to sell those homes after they already started them, because they can get more money when they sell them at a later time because the prices continue to increase. So that's number one. Point number two that we're going to talk about today is because the market is very hot, home prices have been increasing, the resale supply or the inventory has been decreasing, and there was last time we checked, it was a couple of months worth of inventory. Normally in a healthy market, you have 6 months worth of inventory. That means that the pace of what we're selling and the pace of homes hitting the market, we have about 6 months supply. Right now we have only a couple months, about a month and a half really makes the market very low inventory. Number 3 point is that the single family home or rental rate has increased. There's a lot of companies, institutional investors that have been building just to rent, or that have been buying just to rent, because of the return on investment, and the rents have been going up so far 7.5% year over year, which is a big return on their investment. Apartment rents, there's apartments being built everywhere, so there's another reason why the housing has been so hot, even though that, new home sales are skyrocketing and inventory is slow. There are people that are building, or a lot of companies that are building apartment complexes for newcomers, or, new families, or, people moving from up north. So you can see that everywhere right now in the Tampa Bay area. There's just new, rental apartments going up everywhere. And the last thing is that I wanted to discuss is that there is still cases of multiple offers or bidding wars going on in our medium market. And I say medium market, I say all the Tampa Bay area. And therefore that always speaks for a very hot market. Right now we are the second lowest medium or cheapest price in the state of Florida. The number one area to buy or affordability is Fort Myers. We are the second cheapest or lowest price. The medium right now price for a home is about $320,000. A couple of years ago, it used to be $250,000. So affordability has become a little less and less and less for people in the service industry. But because of the low interest rates, that continue to have an impact on lower payments. Even though the prices are higher, the payments are still lower because of the lower rates. We don't have a crystal ball, and we don't know if the rates are going to continue to stay low next year. There's a lot of talks in the Feds about tapering, which is less printing of money, which means that the interest rates get to increase. Hopefully, that's not the case, and hopefully they don't increase that much. But if they increase just 0.25%, that makes a big difference for somebody's payment and the debt to income ratio and what makes them qualify for a home. So all of those things play a role. But so far this year has been a very hot market. It is an amazing time to buy still before the rates go up. And if you're looking for any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any realtor in the area. We're always here to help. That's what we do, and we love to help our clients find their happy place to call home. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.